station to Sao Paulo. Boarding will begin in a few minutes and will board according to groups. Please check your boarding pass to check your group.
Governador André Franco Motor International Airport of Guarulhos. Either en route or our destination. The flight time expected today about 11 hours and a quarter. I'll be back to now descent to update you. Thank you so much for choosing LATAM. Cross-check e confirmar.
Mais um novo voo da LATAM. Convidamos você a ouvir atentamente e seguir estas instruções de segurança. Enquanto seguimos pela América do Sul em uma viagem mágica, sem fronteiras.
Welcome aboard a new flight with LATAM. We invite you to listen carefully and follow these safety instructions as we travel through South America on a magical journey without frontiers. Seatbelt. Insert the metal clip into the buckle and tighten it by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To unfasten it, lift the top part of the buckle.
Se o seu cinto tiver 3 pontos de ajuste, prenda a alça do ombro colocando o gancho de metal sobre o fecho e aperte a alça até que...
To open it, press the button or lift the top part of the buckle.
Coloque o cinto de segurança sempre que o sinal luminoso acender.
Fasten your seatbelt whenever the sign is illuminated.
Para a decolagem, trave a sua mesa e coloque o assento na posição vertical. Se seu assento possui tela de vídeo dobrável, guarde-a. Se dispõe de uma porta lateral, deve estar aberta e travada.
In preparation for takeoff, secure your tray table and put your seat back in its upright position. If your seat has a foldable video screen, stow it. If it has a side door, it must be open and locked.
Este avião possui 8 saídas de emergência com dispositivos que podem ser usados em uma evacuação. Todas as escorregadeiras podem ser usadas como bote.
This aircraft has 8 emergency exits equipped with slides that can be used in an evacuation. All slides can be used as life rafts.
Precisam abrir, aplique força adicional na mesma direção até que ela se abra. Saia pela porta para o corredor principal. Não tente entrar na suíte adjacente.
An emergency lighting system will guide you to the exits. Locate your nearest exit, which may be behind you. In case of an evacuation, leave your belongings. If your seat is a suite and the door becomes stuck whilst opening, apply additional force in the same direction until open. Note to enter adjacent suite.
Seu colete salva-vidas está localizado.
choosing to fly with LATAM. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. When the plane begins and you open the overhead compartments, please be careful as baggage may have shifted around during the flight. That's by part of our LATAM Pass program. You hear